Hi friends, this is Excel Guru Rajnikant. Here I came with one of the interview question asked for the post of MIS in the reputed company, and this query has been given by one of my friend. Okay, so actually what it is means whenever you enter any number here in this place, it has to sum of still here, still 10. If I means 23 plus 10, 33. If I change 5, think 5, 23 plus 10 plus 32 plus 5. So how much it may be? Before that, we will check it and we will show you. Still 5. It is 70. Okay, it is 70. So whenever I change here 5 to 5, the answer should be 70. Okay, the output will be 70, still 5. Okay, whenever I change any number, it has to add from this number still that number. And it should be done with index and match with some product. Okay. So here it's very, very, very easy. So what I'll do here, first of all, okay, leave it off. First of all, what I'll do means I will pick up the position of this number. Okay, I want to know the position of this number. For that reason, I use a match 5, comma, select the range. Okay, control backspace to jump back to the formula, comma, 0, exact match. Okay, enter. Means it is showing that it is in fourth position. The 5 is in fourth position, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we need these numbers also. Okay, not only the position, we need these numbers also. So what I'll do means I use index of these numbers, but it will not give you the answer. Okay. See what will happen. It will give you only the number that is 5. Okay. But we want to do some of those numbers which starts from here. But it's showing only one number. If I press F2, see, and F9, it will give only one number. But we want to do sum of from starting to till that number. Here I'm doing one magic. It will give you amazing thing. I select this one and colon backspace. Now it is thinking that it should be a range. Okay, it should be a range. See. Okay, sorry. Okay. Clicking on this, selecting this. Okay, it is something like this. Select this. Only this. It is giving number, but it can understand that it is a row number. You have to pick up the range from B2 to still 5 rows down. Okay, it can be done with offset also, but I'm showing easiest method is index. Now I press F9 here. F9. See, yes. Okay. Some product. You can use, max, count. Okay, whatever you want, you can use it, but they need a sum. So I'm using a simple method. Okay, enter. Okay, now I use 20. It is 97. Let me check. Here you can see 97. Right, guys? Thank you, guys. If you want, I can show you one thing so that you can able to understand easily. Sum of this colon running total for your understanding F4. Okay, fine. I typed F5. F2. I'm locking only this. F4, F4. Not here. Here it is. In first column, here it is. Control D. Okay. See. 20. Wait, 20, 20. Here it is. Ting. This is. Okay. Understood, guys? Thank you, guys. And I try to solve this with the Power Query as early as possible.